Hello. The manufacturing industry is of course a very results-oriented industry. But what business isn't? What would you say if I told you that the way you speak to your team members can really hurt the bottom line? Here's a clue. If what you are saying isn't landing well with the team members and you see the same mistakes or shortcomings over and over again, you can look for a different approach, and getting the stick isn't one of them. I work with many managers and top-level executives, and providing effective, consistent and constructive feedback is a challenge for many, if not for most. I literally practice giving good feedback together with them. I listen closely how they currently do it, and then I help them to make simple changes in order to take their skills of giving feedback to the next level. Please know that the self-worth of employees is in direct correlation with the net worth of the company. Makes sense, doesn't it? Here's a classic example of how a production manager used to give feedback. Don't take this the wrong way, but why is your team always off target? Don't take this the wrong way is a phrase that has a 0% success rate. Why is your team off target will make the supervisor defensive. The word always means that there is no chance to get better because they are always off target. How about this? John, I see how much dedication and effort you demonstrate every single day. And I want to thank you for that. Lately, the team seems to be off target. What support do you need from management to hit the numbers? Is there something that I'm not aware of? Be aware. A lot of problems will start to disappear if you judge less and communicate more. This was my thought for today, and I will see you next week again. Until then, be happy, be healthy, and be at your best.